Ready to give your Wix site's first impression a serious glow-up? Let's learn how to change those thumbnail images and make your content pop. First things first, log into your Wix account and navigate to your website's dashboard. You'll want to find the media section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where all your website's visual assets live. Once you're in the media manager, you'll see all the images currently on your site. This is your digital toolbox for all things visual. Take a moment to browse through your existing media library. Now, let's upload a brand new thumbnail image. Click the Upload Media button, usually found in the top right corner, and select the image file from your computer. Make sure it's high quality and relevant to the content it represents. Your new image is now uploaded. To use it as a thumbnail, you'll typically find it associated with specific elements on your site, like blog posts, gallery images, or product listings. Hover over the image you want to replace and look for an Options or Settings icon, often a pencil or 3 dots. Within the settings for that specific element, you'll see a thumbnail image area. Click on this area and a new window will pop up, allowing you to select an image from your media manager. Browse through your uploaded files and choose the new image you just added. Finally, it's crucial to save your website changes. Click the Publish button in the top right corner of your Wix editor. This ensures your updated thumbnails are live for everyone to see, making your site more visually appealing and helping search engines understand your content better.